Blame it on me. Oh, you can blame it on me. We're just sugar mice in the rain. Okay, hey, BOOZHOO. How you doing tonight? Mino onagoshin. Mino onagoshin. Good evening. Good evening. Blah. Oh, it's a really pretty evening. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Now I know my ABCs. Next time won't you sing with me? Yeah, yeah, yeah. You ever notice that? Twinkle, twinkle, little star and the ABC song are the same song. As the story goes, back in the days of the grandfathers, way back in the olden days, there was a little boy named Amadeus. Amadeus, 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 Amadeus. Amadeus Wolfgang Mozart. I think his family just called him Wolfie, short for Wolfgang. But Amadeus Wolfgang Mozart, he was a piano player. He grew up to be real famous. But they say that when he was 5 years old, he came up with this tune. Da 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 da. Mozart. Oh, I don't know anything about classical music. Oh, really? It wasn't just the first song you ever learned? It was a Mozart tune? But yeah, that's what they say. He was only 5 years old. And then later on, somebody else put words to that tune of Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star, and nobody remembers who did that. And the ABC song, they were just ripping off that tune. They sampled that tune. No. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time won't you sing with me? I've been meaning to do a ABC sing-along video for the kids. Something is telling me that we need to kind of try and focus the show on a younger audience. But then kids don't watch YouTube videos like this. So why do I bother? I don't know. Today's moment of NANABOOZHOO. NANABOOZHOO, wisdom. In the OJIBWE language, everything's about wisdom. The wisdom teachings. Wisdom. NANABOOZHOO. Now what is wisdom? You might be asking yourself, hey, self, what is wisdom? Because it's not just being intelligent. It's not just being smart. It's not just, oh, look at me, I got a degree. I memorized so many things and then could write them down and pass tests and pay tuition. So now I'm educated, so I must be smart. Yeah, good for you. You're very smart. You're very intelligent. Very educated. But you may have no wisdom. What is it? Wisdom. As far as I can tell, wisdom is something, it's like, wisdom is when you see past all the lies, when the veils are lifted from your eyes. For some people, it takes a whole lifetime to finally see, they wake up in the matrix, or out of the matrix, or whatever you want to call it. Everybody's blind. I mean, we all talk about, the wisdom of children. Nobody talks about the wisdom of children, right? Kids have no wisdom. They believe everything they've been told. They don't even know to question reality. Somebody tells them, Merry Christmas. A fat man in a red suit broke in last night and left us presents. And that seems reasonable to them. Oh, great. How nice. I'm so glad we left that cookie and milk, But wisdom is not being smart. I mean, you can be smart. When, if you're smart enough, you might seek wisdom. NANABOOZHOO. But wisdom is being able to, you live long enough, you get wise, you get humble enough, you quit thinking that you know all the answers. Then maybe you wake up from all the dumb stuff you were believing, from all the brainwashing you received through your education. I mean, we all go through it. Most of us stay in just our brainwashed education. But some of us, you can get some wisdom if you get knocked down enough. On the other side of really failing, not when you just recognize, poor me, I'm a victim. But when you just really, life is going to hit you hard, right? It'll knock you down to your knees and keep you there if you let it. But a lot of us kind of learn that after you get knocked down and humbled, you get humbled in life. On the other side of that is wisdom. You pick yourself up and you have hard conversations and you make hard changes in your life because you've gained some wisdom, I think. Or maybe wisdom's a gift. Maybe wisdom is just a gift from God. He just finally decides, you know what? I'm going to reveal all this stuff that you've been believing about yourself and, your whole ego and all that. I don't know. It's tough to talk about. I'm not sure I even understand it. But that's today's Ojibwe word of the day. NANABOOZHOO. Wisdom. To learn more about wisdom, I don't know. Okahei, okahei. Oh, maybe I'll go inside. Sure is a pretty night. Boop, boop, boop. Beep, beep. Beep, beep. BOOZHOO! Hey there, sweetie. Oh, hi, NANABOOZHOO. What are you doing? Oh, I was out here talking to the BOOZHOO crew. The BOOZHOO crew? Yep, talking to our viewers. Oh, cool. Hey, you want to pick me up? Well, sure. Let me just scan for your coordinates. Okay. Locking it on your coordinates. All right. And that's 1 to teleport. Make it so, number 1. No. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome NANABOOZHOO. BOOZHOO. Welcome back to the show. How you doing, sweetie? I'm doing great. How are you? Not too bad. So what you got going on around here? Oh, not much. Just sitting by the fire. Waiting for you to come home. Oh, yeah? Yeah. Did you have fun talking to the BOOZHOO crew? Yeah, sure. What were you talking about? I was trying to talk about wisdom. Were you imparting wisdom on wisdom? Yeah. Should we make that our Ojibwe word of the day? Yeah, sure. Wisdom. There's OJIBWE word of the day. Are you just going to jump into it? All right. Do you want to start the show? Yeah, let's start the show first. Okay. Do you want me to start it? Or do you want to start it? You can start it. No, you start it. Okay. Okay, BOOZHOO. Now you do it. Okay. Okay, BOOZHOO. BOOZHOO nish Anishinaabe doog. Hello, my fellow Anishinaabes. Hello, my fellow people. Welcome to the show. Welcome to BOOZHOO, NANABOOZHOO. What do we do with the title? Isn't it there? La la la. Oh, here it is. Welcome to BOOZHOO, NANABOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. My name is Natasha. This over here, Hoa. This is NANABOOZHOO. Okay, BOOZHOO. And my name, and what else? My name is, I don't know, now what? And today's Ojibwe word of the day. What were you saying? It's Nabwakawin. Nabwakawin. Yep. Nabwakawin. Wisdom. I was outside just chatting up the BOOZHOO crew. You were chatting up the BOOZHOO crew? Yeah, I was trying to do a kind of a, late night wisdom teaching. Is that what you were doing? Yeah, more or less. Anyway, Nabwakawin, wisdom. And, I don't know. So what else is new? What do you mean? I don't know. Well, we taught the Ojibwe word of the day. Yeah. And did you want to... What's going on in your life? What's going on? You're going on in my life. Yeah, well, I know, but... what should we talk about? Well, how about... She said it's none of my business, but it breaks my heart. Dropped a dozen cheap roses in my shopping cart. Made it out to the truck without breaking down. I guess everybody knows you in a speed trap town. Never did occur to me to leave. Never did occur to me to leave. And it's a Thursday night, but there's a high school game. Sneak a bottle up the bleachers and forget my name. And these 5A bastards run a shallow cross. It's a boy's last dream and a man's first loss. It never did occur to me to leave till tonight, when there's no one left to ask if I'm alright. I signed my name and I said my last goodbyes, and decide if there's anything that can't be left behind. Doctor said Daddy wouldn't make it a year, but the holidays are over and he's still here. How long can they keep you in the ICU? Veins through the skin like a faded tattoo. never did occur to me to leave till the night when I realized he'll never be alright. I signed my name and I said my last goodbye, and decide that there's nothing left that can't be left behind. Road got blurry when the sun came up, so I slept a couple hours in my pickup truck. Had a cup of coffee at an Indian mound, 1,000 miles away from that speed trap town. It never did occur to me to leave. It never did occur to me to leave. I'm getting tired. Yeah, me too. Should we call it a show? Yeah, sure. Okay. Hey, everybody. Thank you so much for watching Chimiquatch. GOFUNDME. Thank you for watching BOOZHOO, NANABOOZHOO, the podcast about OJIBWE language and culture. My name is Natasha. This is NANABOOZHOO. Okay, miigwech. Oh, and over here, you've been so quiet, I forgot you were even watching. Yeah. Over here is Michael Lyons. Ikadon BOOZHOO, Michael Lyons. Say hello. Hey, everyone. Thanks for watching. And I will see you again. GOFUNDME. Minawa. Hoa. Hoa. Nicely done. Ah, thank you. Hey, if you like the show, give us a thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button, and share it on your Facebook page or whatever you do. And thank you.